Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Welcome to another tutorial. This one's going to be a quick one. Basically, I'm just going to show you how to install TOR and also start TOR and stop TOR and check the status. Also, we're going to be using proxychain, which is another Kali Linux command tool that you can use. I'm just going to touch briefly on that, but that's probably another tutorial, the proxychain command. But so this is going to be very quick. So here we go. The first thing is, if you guys haven't installed TOR yet, this is the way to install it. All this is you open up your command terminal on Kali Linux 2 and just type in app get install TOR. I've already installed TOR, so it's just going to tell me 0 upgrade, so on and so forth. For you guys who haven't installed it, it's going to ask you if you want to install the package. Y for yes, N for no. Just press Y, and it'll go ahead and go through the installation. Once you have installed it, this command will be very important. Service alone is a pretty important tool, but service TOR, if you press, just type in service TOR and press enter, you'll see that you could use start, stop, restart, reload, force reload, and status. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's use the status command, TOR status, and as you can see, it's inactive, not found. So let me go ahead and clean this up. So after you installed it, in order to start TOR, you have to type in service TOR start, and then it started. You can check the status by going and typing in service TOR status again, and as you can see, it's active. All right. So in order to start utilizing TOR, you can use proxychain for that, proxychains for that, and proxychains is going to be a whole different tutorial, but it's a separate command or tool, whatever you want to call it, that's already built into Kali Linux 2, and you could configure it, and I think the etc directory, there's a config file in there, I believe, but that's a whole different tutorial. So let's go ahead and start and give you an example. So you just type in, once your TOR has started, just go ahead and type in proxychains weasel, and proxychains you could utilize nmap or burp suite for this, but in this particular case we're just going to utilize weasel. And then let's go ahead and type in an IP address. Let's type in whatismyip.com and press enter, and then weasel will pop up. So right now we have the TOR started in the background. We kicked it off by using proxychains to open up the application weasel, which will point to which is pointing to a URL called what is my IP address, and as you can see here, it's telling you my IP address is 185. blah 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 in Middelburg, Zealand. So of course I'm not from there, but you can kind of get the idea of how this works. So basically, that is the meat of it all. That's how you install, start, and check the status of your TOR, what's in the background. Also, all this information here, you might want to take a look. It's very important. This is where all the onion layers are at. So just take a look at it and you know, do a little bit more investigative work on your own. Once that's done, you can stop TOR by just typing in service TOR stop, and then you want to check the status again, service TOR status, and as you can see, again, it's inactive. So basically, that is the meat of this tutorial, and that's it. Hopefully that helped some of you guys out on how to install, start, stop, and check the status of TOR. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.